Well, yeah, today I will show you how to use the pivot table. Sometimes we might have a lot of data and we want to analyze the data, what is the actual outcome from it. So we have just taken data of just uh, almost 400 customers. They're all our customers. We might have a million of customers, but this is just a sample. So we are just trying to analyze the data of different customers based on their age, gender, state, children, salary, and opinion. So Pivot table is a great tool to analyze this data because by using this tool, we can get our ultimate result without using the Microsoft Excel different formula. We just don't need to use any formula. We can get our ultimate result. There might be a question that I want to know that what might be the average salary of different state. There is some Texas, Virginia, California, and I might want to know that what is the average salary of different estate and who has a children. So if people who has a children has a higher salary or not, or they might have a low salary, or many things can happen. And this is the gender. Gender term means one means the male and two means the female. So is the gender is the male salary average salary is higher than female, or female has a higher salary than male. So there are different criteria. One is the children criteria, one is the estate criteria, one is the gender criteria. There is also the age criteria. There is also an opinion criteria. The next demographic options, we have also the passport, and it is the name of the customers and where do they actually get the information from. So it is the source. So actually we might have did our survey, uh, did our survey, but we can ask the customer, how did you find the information of our company? Some might tell that, oh, I just got the information of your company from Google AdWords. Someone can tell that I got it from Billboard. So I need to count that what is the percentage of people who actually get our company information from Google. So let's have a look. I just need to work on this data. So I'll just click insert, pivot table, and I click OK. And this is the pivot table different options. So what I just at first want to know that I first want to know state and the salary options. So I click salary. So this is actually the sum of salary. So if I click value field settings, click average, I can get the average salary. So it is the average salary. And right now I want to know that what is the salary distribution based on the gender. So if I the gender on here, so you can see that male and female distribution and gender salary based on their state. Okay, and if I click on children options is inputted, and if I click children, I don't want zero, so I just want to show that what is the impact of people who have children. Has the average salary of 74,000 to 85, and it's based on the estate. So if I right now delete the estate, I don't want the estate. So I can find out that people who has children one in case of male, and there's an average salary of 80,172. And if you want two children, then average salary is 79,000 and this is the female portion. One children is 7. So female average salary is typically low. So right now, if I delete the children option, so I can actually get the average salary of both male and female. So male salary is typically higher than female. Okay. So if I click on age, so the average salary is right now based on both male and female, based on their elderly, middle-aged, and young. So it is showing that middle-aged people has a higher salary in case of male, and middle-aged for female is also higher. So if I delete the gender options, so right now it is the average salary of both uh, uh, without any distinction between male and female. So elderly is 74, middle is 94, and young is 45,000. So and there is a click opinion. So the data is now segregated based on their different opinion. These things, and I might want to know the average salary is based on estate without any gender. So I click estate. So this is the average salary. So which one estate is higher? So I click here. I can actually show value as percentage. No, I can click on here. Foundational formatting, highlight cell rules greater than 74,000 or higher than this is the cell rule. Okay, it's not working. Okay, I can sort it by their sort from largest to smallest. So if I sort it by this way, so I can see that Texas has a higher salary than any other state. Texas, this is the Texas. Okay, so and right now, if I want to know, include many other things, I want to include option, I want to include children, I want to include gender, I want to include age. So I just need to include the peon, a person or the passport. And in case of gender, in case of children, I just want to know about 1, 2, 3. Okay. If I just click want to get the okay, just everything fine, no problem. So it is actually the average sum of gender. Okay, there is some error. I actually want to know the average salary. So so the data actually a little bit aggregated. So state opinion. Uh, so if I want to just click on agree, so people who actually agree on our data, so I click agree. So I'm just looking for people who agreed on this data, and for people age, I can click. I just want to know about the information about only the young people. Okay, and I only just want to know about it from a state. Like I want to exclude a state from a state of some other state, just like New York. I just want to state from certain state. Then it will actually reduce the data, and I might want to know their age and their gender. I might want to know about only about the female. What does the female say? So the average salary is for state Ohio, and they agree. And for children too. So if I minus sign, 1 second, it will. This looks good. So what is actually showing it here? Click Ohio, agree, show two, and yeah. So actually, I'm just looking for a state Ohio who actually agreed on our company. As two means actually the female, it does not, and who are actually young. They have a average salary of 49,647. These all are the same. These are all are the same. Click And in case of Arizona, it is, you can see that average salary is 49,687. So this is actually a great tool. We can actually get all the our desired information. We can even average. We can actually get the sum. We can get the maximum. So what actually happens? So for Ohio State, the maximum salary for maximum salary is actually 54,784. We actually agreed. We're actually young, and we're actually female. Their maximum salary is 54,000. So for in case of maximum, I click in minimum, and there are also a lot of other things. I'm just using their minimum salary is 44,000. So right now, I want to know which state has a low salary. Okay, so I click salary, and I click state. I just want to know which state has a low salary minimum. Okay, minimum of salary, and short data from low to high, from smallest to large. So I can see that New York has a low salary, irrespective of both male and female. And if I want to include gender, what actually will happen? If I click gender, and both the one and two, and what I'll see that for New York, okay, want to segregate again, short, smallest to lowest, okay. New York has the average salary, minimum salary of 20,000. In case of male, it is 43. The male's lowest salary is 43, whereas females is 20,000. Oh my God. And in case of Ohio, what I can see is that male has a 51,000 and female has a 23,657. So I can actually find out their average minimum salary, minimum. That is actually the lowest salary of both male and female. So it is our data. From this data, we actually can analyze different aspects of different. We can actually get our ultimate outcome of uh, result. So I will show you another tricks right now. Now this is actually the passport number of almost 400 people. I can drag it down to actually a sample. How much it is? Almost 400 people, and these are the name and these are the source. So I can have a survey. Our company can have 1,000 of customer, can have 1 million of customers. So I did a survey on 400 people that how did you get the information about our company. So you are right now purchasing our product, but why did you actually get the source, so that we can determine that where we should invest more for our advertisement, because it is because it is a good way to understand that which can actually generate more revenue, and which can actually cost us low but benefit us more. So uh, if I click left click, so I just want to know that this word, and I just want to know that how many people actually get to know our company from Google. So Google has 6 words, so I click 6. I click okay. So Google, and so it actually extract first 6 letters. So my target is the Google. My target is the Google AdWords. Google had Google AdWords online. So I'm just segregate the word, extract the word from this column, and it is the Google. So I want to calculate. Okay, so let's count ifs, and criteria range. Criteria range is control shift space down, control shift down, and it mark all the row column. Sorry, and click criteria range is Google. So there are 63 people out of 400, 400, not 400. There is one missing, so it is should be 399. Yes, it's not 400, so 399. There are 63 people out of 399 who actually get to know about our company from Google. So what is the percentage? So if I click 63 divided by 399 equal to, and I will click percentage. So it's actually, if I not round it, don't want to round it, is 15.79% we actually get to know about our company from Google. That's how we can actually segregate other different sources this way and get to know which source is actually contributing more to get to know about our company. So I think that there are lots of tools, lots of tricks different in Microsoft Excel, and if you used to try and practice it, then ultimately in the near future you can be a master in these tricks, and you can contribute a lot to your company because these tools are very necessary for the data analysis purpose of the company, and most of the company actually prefer knowing these types of and using these types of tools. Thank you for watching my videos.